to show the number root 2 on a number line. This is a number line, point A. This is point A, shows the number 1. Then first step, draw line L perpendicular to the number line through point A using this set square. So draw like this. Keep your set square like this. These are two edges of this triangle making a right angle. So draw perpendicular like this. Then this is line L. We draw this line L perpendicular to number line at point A. Take point P on line L such that OA is equal to AP. This is distance between point O and A. Keep your compass on point A. Make an arc intersecting line L. This point as P. This is point P. So length of segment OA is equal to length of segment PA. Length of both this segment is 1 unit. Now draw segment OP. This is segment OP. The triangle OAP is formed now, in which angle A is right angle. Therefore, this triangle OAP is a right angle triangle. Then, by Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OA square plus AP square. Length of segment OA is 1 unit. Length of segment AP is also 1 unit. That is equal to 1 square plus 1 square equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 is square of length of segment OP. We have to take square root of this number to get length of segment OP. Therefore, taking square root of both the sides, we get OP is equal to square root of 2. So, length of segment OP is equal to square root of 2. Now, draw an arc with center O. Keep your compass on this point O and radius OP. Take radius OP in your compass. Then, draw an arc which intersect the number line like this. Where this arc intersects the line, number line, that point is, name that point as Q. So this point Q shows the number square root of 2. So length of this segment OP is equal to square root of 2, and now length of segment OQ is also equal to length of segment OP, that is equal to root 2. Therefore, point Q will represent number root 2. How to show minus root 2? The number shown by point Q is root 2. If we mark point R on the number line to the left of O at the same distance as OQ, to the opposite side of the number line of the 0, this point will show the number minus root 2. This is point R.